Good evening. Tonight we are going to showcase ZEC Bounties. We're going to run a local version, dev version, and show you a quick tutorial on how it works from a user's perspective. First thing we need to do is load it up. There's a, on the dev side, there is a backend. There is a front end. And you access this through localhost in the port 3000. On the live production version, you'll log in with GitHub, but for purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to use one of my local users. We'll go ahead and do user 1. Sign in. And the first thing you'll see is the bounties that are available, the bounties that are in progress, in review, and the bounties that are done. So they are organized by categories. We have bug fixes, designs, research, video, and you could have your user avatar up here. You can go light mode, dark mode, notifications. If you want to change your profile, this is where you can turn on or off email notifications. And this is also where you set your unified address. Just to show you how this works, let's say this is your the account you want to use for your address. Let's say you want an Ironwood only address. Here you go. You paste it, it confirms the address is valid, and you save. You can also run testnet, and that it's not needed here. You can also add a nickname for yourself. Let's just do dismed test, and we go back to bounties. So any bounties that you have completed will show up here, or that you have pending. And lastly, the dashboard will show you the badges that currently for the top 25 contributors are, and if they have an avatar set, it'll show the avatar here. Otherwise, it's just going to show the color of their user, which is based on how many completed bounties they have. Let's go back to the main page. Let's show what it's like to, let's say you want to suggest a bounty that isn't already listed. So in case you don't know, every Monday, new bounties are posted for folks to complete. But there's a very good chance that there's something that needs to be done that isn't part of that bounty set. So how would you suggest a bounty? Here's how you do it. Click on new bounty. Let's say we fix Wikidoc to include Ironwood updates, for example. And this is a bug fix. You can suggest a reward. I would do a time in the future for completion, and then you can give any description that would be necessary for folks to know to complete this. Needs to include Ironwood ready documentation. And you can also do a bounty amount. It's up to you. So we're going to create a bounty. So on the right hand side, bounty has been created, and it shows up here with the new red tag, which is kind of good. So notice how it says bounty has not yet been approved. This bounty is pending approval. You will be able to submit your work once an admin activates it. So the reason we do this is we have a limited amount of bounty funds available. So we need to make sure that we prioritize access to bounties that are most helpful for the community. All right. So let's say you want to do this bounty here. I'm going to need to approve this. So let me log into my admin account and show you what it's like on the admin side. All right, so we have the bounty that was just done by dismad test. Let's open it up. Looks like I do have a UA set. So we're going to need to prove this so that it's in progress. And the Zakura to do looks like it's been defaulted to user 2. I'll save it. Let's log in as user 2 now. Assign to you. Okay. Let's see here. Go to my profile. Let me make sure here. Nope. I forgot to put it in the. Hang on, guys. On the Zakura, I forgot to move this to in progress. There we go. Log out. Sign in. Okay, so now we have our bounties have been approved. So we're going to submit our work. So you add a link. It'll just show a PR here. Or actually, put it down here. Deliverable URL and PR included. And any notes that help discuss work, add here. Okay, so we're going to submit work. Work has been submitted. So at this point, as someone who's submitting for bounties, you're done with this particular bounty and you wait for the core team to update. Let's do that. I'm gonna log out. All right, so notice on the admin side, we have a new submission for the Zakura video. We'll click on this and we'll leave notes for review and approve or reject. But in this case, we're going to approve it. It automatically moves it to done. When we go to payments due, notice how I have an option here. We're going to send for 0.0001, authorize payment. Now, before I send this payment, let me go into my settings here and show you the network. So right now I am testing this on the ZecRox Light Wallet D, but you could also test this locally running your own node and own infrastructure, which is highly recommended. But just for simplicity on this tutorial, I just use ZecRox because it's the easiest to set up. You just set up, you point it to the public Light Wallet server, and you can use any wallet you want here. You can import wallets, as many as you need. And if you want to reset your wallet, you can do so here. So let me go back to the bounties, payments due, authorize payment, confirm. Sending error, insufficient funds. Let's rescan our wallet. There we go. That should be enough. So let's try that again. All right, payment 1 cent. So let's go to the transactions, refresh, and notice we have a transaction ID that ends in 762934. See if we can find this bad boy. There it is. All right, so back on ZecBounties. So let's do a quick rescan. Refresh. Balance is low. Let's refresh this. And shows confirmed. And that's it. So hopefully this helps give a little insight into one way that this works, ZecBounties.